Our plastics technology is advancing, battery technology, driving down costs. The advantages that we've been able to cull from our experience in the industry, we're now able to use those in a collaborative way with our partnerships. I'm Todd Cowan. I'm here at Flow-Rite Controls in Byron Center, Michigan. I'm here in our corporate office as well as our manufacturing facility. One of the exciting aspects of my role is developing the collaborative relationship with our partners. And our advantage and how we're able to do that so successfully is our vertical integration. We have R&D, we have regular engineering, tool design, tool manufacturing, plastics injection molding, assembly, marketing, sales, our logistics, all under one roof. So we're able to adapt, change as our customers need to adapt and change. We can change with them. When you're in a collaborative relationship, that adaptivity really is a huge advantage for both people in the partnership. I've been with the company for 19 years. Being in this position for the amount of time that I have, I've been able to develop relationships and understand the market, the industry. Through our involvement with BCI, Battery Council International, we've stayed current with standards and trends within the battery industry. In the decades of experience that both Flow-Rite as an organization has in the battery business, as well as myself, the organization's learned how to navigate the pitfalls of launch issues within the battery industry. Our plastics technology is advancing, battery technology, driving down costs. The advantages that we've been able to cull from our experience in the industry, we're now able to use those in a collaborative way with our partnerships to avoid pitfalls, to have successful launches, to develop new products, to be on the leading edge of the industry and battery industry in general.